In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable receiving tips in QuickBooks Online. This is a great way for businesses to streamline their billing processes, especially those in industries where tipping is common. Let's dive right in and guide you through the steps to set this up efficiently. First, begin by locating the gear icon at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your gateway to customizable settings, so it's a good icon to familiarize yourself with for future adjustments. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Account and Settings option. This section is crucial because it houses all the core settings for managing your company preferences. Upon entering the Account and Settings area, look to the left-hand panel to find various categorical options. Here, you're going to click on Sales. This section deals with everything related to how you manage and display your sales processes and invoices to your customers. It's important to periodically check out these settings because they're central to how your business transactions are recorded and viewed. Next, you'll need to click on Sales Form Content. This is where you can make the necessary adjustments to how your sales forms appear and function. Specifically, this is where you can manage the tipping options, which are a useful feature for your customers to show their appreciation for the services they receive. Once you are in the Sales Form Content section, look for the option labeled Accept Tips. There, you'll want to locate the switch that enables this feature. If it's currently off, you will see it is grayed out. To turn it on, simply click the switch and it will turn green, indicating that the tipping feature is now enabled. This simple action allows your business to start receiving tips through invoices, making it a seamless experience for your clients. After you've activated the tipping option, remember to click Save. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the changes you made are securely recorded and won't need to be re-entered later. Once saved, you've completed the process. And there you go. You've successfully enabled the ability to receive tips in QuickBooks Online. This feature not only caters to client preferences, but also encourages appreciation for the quality service you provide. By following these steps, you've set up an efficient system that can potentially boost your business's customer relations and revenue. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other features within QuickBooks to benefit your business practices even further.